Hi, my name is Yogita, and on the occasion of International Tiger Day, I'm here to make you all aware about the importance of tigers. Tiger is one such animal that is a synonym to royal or majestic. In India, we have been associating the tiger with being royal for centuries. That is why our national animal has been declared as tiger. Gradually, cutting down the forest range and other reasons adds to the decrease in the number of tigers. Tiger, also called Panthera tigris, is one of the largest cat species surviving in some range of the world. It is a member of genus Panthera. Tiger is an alpha predator that preys on animals like deer and wild boar. Tiger is the national animal of India. India has always been leading in conserving its national animal. The celebration is done on 29th July as a reminder of the agreement signed between countries in the St. Petersburg Tiger Summit in Russia in 2010 to raise awareness about the decreasing tiger population globally. Also, the representatives declared that tiger populated countries would make efforts to almost double the tiger population by the year 2022. The International Day is celebrated annually with the slogan or theme, "Their survival is in our hands." The importance of this day is to create awareness of the declining tiger population and conserving tigers globally. Observing World Tiger Day is also significant because, according to the Worldwide Fund, currently there are only 3,900 tigers globally. From the beginning of the 20th century, around 95% of the tiger population has been lost in various activities like poaching. Despite efforts in conserving tigers from the year 1970s, the tiger showed a rapid decrease in number. Therefore, in the year 2010, at the St. Petersburg Declaration, tiger range countries have resolved to double the number of tigers by 2022. Tigers are one of the most majestic and royal species that we have seen globally. They are also called umbrella species as their conservation also conserves many other species in the same habitat. Thank you.